So now in this unit I will discuss past continuous and past simple. So that means in these three pictures, these all pictures are the actions which happened in the past. Like Jack was reading a book, the phone rang, he stopped reading, he answered the phone. Like Jack was reading a book, it means that it is present, sorry, past continuous, and then the phone rang, he stopped reading, and he answered the phone is past simple. So what happened? The phone rang. It is past simple. But when we said what was Jack doing when the phone rang? Means when we will use was or were and ing form means first form of verb, then it become past continuous tense. He was reading a book. What did he do when the phone rang? Like this is also past simple. He stopped reading and answered the phone. Jack began reading before the phone rang, so when the phone rang, he was reading. You may also say in both these sentences which you like. He started reading. In between, he was reading. This is all the format. Then the phone rang. At the end, he stopped reading and he answered the phone at some distance. So the past continuous in these pictures is just one, which is he was reading, and the other all the sentences like he started reading, the phone rang, he stopped reading, he answered the phone is past simple. So here we have past simple and past continuous. Past simple, what did you do yesterday morning? We played tennis from 10 to 11:30. Like the tennis match was started at 10 o'clock and finished at 11:30. In between we played. Jack read a book yesterday means from beginning any item in the past which has been finished, and like Jack read a book yesterday. That means why we used past simple. If we have started the task and ended, so it becomes past simple. But the action which is going in the past is past continuous tense. Then in past simple, did you watch the television film on television last night? That means he has watched the television and ended. So the start and the ended. If a person starts started the started to read a book, if he started and then finished it, then we will say have did you finished to read a book? It didn't rain while we were on holiday. So now in past continuous tense, the action was going on. So in the past, it becomes past continuous tense. Like what were you doing at 10:30? We were playing tennis. Like in simple way, past simple is a complete action. Past continuous is unfinished. Like it's going now. It is happening. Jack was reading a book when the phone rang. Were you watching television when I phoned you? It wasn't raining when I got up. I started work at 9 o'clock and finished at 4:30. At 2:30 I was working. It was raining when we went out. Means it started raining before we went out. I saw Lucy and Steve this morning. They were waiting at the bus stop. Kelly fell asleep while she was reading.